Hi friends! Today we're going to be doing an interactive workpiece for class where we're going to focus on ancient Egypt to explore why certain areas have fascinated archaeologists and other people so much. The area we're going to be able to find this interactive website is going to be through Google. From Google, search Children's Museum, Ancient Egypt. Hit enter. It's going to come up with multiple different sources. The main source we're going to focus on is going to be this Children's University of Manchester History, Explore Ancient Egypt. Click on that when you're ready. Once it's open, it's going to say Children's University of Manchester, and it's going to have a bright purple page with a white top and a table of contents. The main area we're going to focus on is going to be the Explore Ancient Egypt second on the table of contents. This interactive piece will guide you through the activities, explaining what to do, how to do it, and why. Well, let's walk through the first 4 pages together. Explore ancient Egypt. Let's take a journey to ancient Egypt and discover some of the great historical sites that have excited archaeologists across the centuries. Why not explore Lower Egypt? To the north, you'll find many Egyptian treasures, including Giza, the home of the famous Great Pyramid, Alexandria, the Nile Delta, and much more. Later, venture south to the Valley of the Kings, Aswan, and the ancient capital of Thebes. First, find Egypt. Before we begin, we must travel to Egypt, which is one of the many countries within the continent of Africa. Can you find where the ancient Egyptians lived? Can you find Egypt? This part for the second page is just going to ask you to click on a country that you believe to be Egypt. If you click on the wrong one, for instance, let's go towards Europe, it's just going to say, sorry, that was not the correct answer. Keep trying. Can you find where the ancient Egyptians lived? Can you find Egypt? It's going to allow you to do that an infinite amount of times that you want until you do find Egypt. First, find Egypt. Well done, you found Egypt. Egypt is on the northeastern edge of Africa, where Africa joins Asia. The Mediterranean Sea lies to the north, and the Red Sea lies to the east. So this is going to be the Mediterranean Sea as the top upper body of water, and then the Red Sea lies to the east. It's going to be this body of water right here that's kind of small. Click on a place to find out more. This area is just going to have you click on each of the red cities to read and learn more information about them. Make sure to obtain some of the information as there's going to be a mini quiz at the end. This one's going to more so focus on towards the Mediterranean Sea, and the next one's going to focus on the Red Sea. At the end, there's going to be a quiz. You have an infinite amount of times to take the quiz. You could play quiz again, or you could play the animation all over again to better understand any of the information. Have fun learning.